looks great. Oh, and this chat itself is also a custom PM mode chat that has specific things that it can access. That's my PM persona that I use. You are to act as technical PM for Omnigeist. You are to help create tickets, assign tickets, document requirements, update Jira using MCP. Part BA, part PM, all about organizing our work, keeping us on track. All right. That is my PM. What I'd done was I made like a quick throwaway project in VS Code or Cursor or whatever that just hit the VO2 endpoint and made a quick little video based on a prompt. It was super simple, and I just want to see if I could do it in C# so that I could reference it later. And I don't want to do a wizard. I think it's already all filled out. Is Mr. Hamlet. All right. Let me do a quick screenshot here. I'm just telling it I don't love the color. So what's going on is as I'm doing this, it's going in here and it's touching Jira and it's updating it. Wait, do we have notes now? Look at this. Look at all of this. I didn't ask for all that. Completed. Have you ever seen Jira tickets groomed like this? It's more information than we probably need. But it's giving like blow by blow history. The tokens are just, we're boiling oceans, but so convenient. Hear that sad Jurassic Park music every time I. That's better. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to be very clear about what I want it to actually prototype out. Right? I'm like, don't worry about the services yet. Don't add complexity. I don't want to deal with AutoMapper. I want to know what the front end is going to look like. What is this user experience that we've been talking about with words? So let's make a static version of it, but we're making a static version of it based on the actual entities and entity framework, right? The values that will exist and also the requirements that are in the ticket. So the old and the actual, the new and the documented. The requirements in the ticket, but now we're saying how to do it. All right, let's see what my UI looks like now. Video production. Okay, so we're now at the point where I can talk about what we've been doing. In this process, we've gotten a user who has provided what world they're in and the metaverse, and then some basics metadata. What kind of story are you doing? What's the idea? What's the framework? Whose point of view is it? Like, who are the characters? Do you want to make images of them? Assign enneagrams and personalities, and then you go through here and you pick what story structure you want to use, and then you got to go through here, and for each of these parts of the story structure you got to add in one or more of the dramatic situations, and then within each 36 dramatic situation you go in and you find the roles and you add in who's doing what. And it's very much a process to walk you through a story until you get down to scene cards, which is a bit more of a desktop UI thing, but you got all your scene cards, and then you can edit what's going on in each individual distinct scene, and you can view the whole script basically, and you can export to Scribe. But what I'm working on now is some AI prototyping, basically, of your videos for your scenes with VO2. I'm waiting on the wait list for VO3. But this is what you'll do: is for each one of the scenes, you then will get a prompt to describe it. And AI is going to have all the information about the location that you're on and the character and the mood and all that stuff. So we will want AI to read in all that information, and then it will create the prompt for the video AI based on everything that you've provided about your everything, your world, the tone, the systems, and blah 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 blah.